this video, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step process to double your email list. And then at the end, I'm going to give you the ultimate guide that is going to help you to actually implement all of these steps. If you've got a following, a community, or some kind of audience, here are a few simple tips that's going to allow you to double your email list. Step one, you're going to need a great lead magnet. Now, what is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is something really useful that you give away to people for free when they join your newsletter. For example, one of our clients was selling digital painting courses and they gave away 15 digital paintbrushes so people could download that and get started straight away. Other examples you might use are checklists or templates or useful resources, anything else that's relevant in your niche that someone can get value from straight away. What a lot of people do is they just have something that says sign up to our newsletter. It doesn't give a compelling reason why. It doesn't tell them that they're going to get something really useful straight away. And it leads to a much lower opt-in rate. Now we've got a great lead magnet. Now we need to promote it everywhere. So if you've got a website that gets a bunch of traffic, we're going to put that on the homepage. You want to put a pop-up. So once someone's been on the site for about 30 seconds, they see a promotion of the lead magnet. If you've got a blog, you're going to put this within the blog post, top, middle, and bottom of a long blog post. Create graphics to promote it in different ways so that people see the benefit of getting it and it's actually attractive and fits with the style of your website. Put it in the sidebar. If you've got a YouTube channel, you're going to be putting this in the pinned comments, in the description. You're going to be mentioning it at the beginning of the video and then again at the end of the video. If you've got an Instagram channel, you can do the same thing with any videos on there, but you're also going to promote this about every 10th post, just promoting the lead magnet. And this way, people are going to always know that this exists, they're going to see it everywhere, and they're going to be signing up at a much higher rate. Step three is not something you need to add, it's something you need to take out. Have you ever signed up for a lead magnet or somebody else's newsletter, and you got an email asking you, do you actually want to be on this email list? And you're like, yeah, I just signed up for it, what is this? And you have to click the link in order to get on the list. And then if you don't click that link, if you miss that email, you never get on that list. You never get the emails from them. Well, that is known as the subscription confirmation email or the double opt-in. And there's a reason why it's in place, but it does not help you. It's going to cost you about half of your opt-ins if you keep that in place. And all of the platforms have this on by default, but most people don't know. You can just turn this off and then you're going to be getting twice as many opt-ins just from that one thing alone. So that's it. That's 3 things that you can do to double your email list. If you want the complete guide for free, then click the link in the description.